Hi, this is Dr. Echo. I have spent 3 years conducting research on how to create courses and sell them online. Teaching for many years, I was burned out, underpaid, and not feeling fulfilled. Now I want to help you, a school teacher, a counselor, or a college professor like me, create and sell your own knowledge and expertise to supplement or replace the income from your daytime teaching job. There are so many different online programs claiming they can teach you how to create and sell your course. It can be difficult to distinguish true mentors who provide actual advice from others who claim they can help you get rich quick. I admit that I have made several bad choices and have paid high prices for irrelevant or low-quality programs. For instance, there is a well-known and well-established coach who helps people create digital products, but he turned out to be old school and was still using outdated strategies that might have been useful 10 to 20 years ago. Then, there's this other mentor who claims to be super successful in helping people, but becomes distant after you pay and you don't receive the support that is promised. If you have just started your journey in online teaching, you are probably running into the same or similar obstacles I once had to face. With all these options, whom should you choose to learn from? You are an educator, and you know how to find the best niche for your course. You may also know which platforms to use to create an online course. You may even know how to set up a sales funnel. However, you are still struggling. You still don't know how to get people to sign up to your email list, how to promote yourself and your course, how to break through and sell the course to your first student. I have been there. I know your pain. I know your struggle. If I was not determined to find the best way to help other teachers and professors like me and like you, if I quit after the ups and downs, and if I gave up searching and searching further, I wouldn't be here today. After a long and expensive search, an amount of effort, learning and failing, I have finally found the best and most up-to-date strategies to help you as a school teacher, counselor, college professor, or content creator create and sell your knowledge online. I will show you the step-by-step method to help you create and sell your course online within 3 months or even a few weeks if you put more effort in. You will be able to earn a consistent 5-figure or more monthly income, and more importantly, without burning out. Once things are set up, it's simply a matter of time before you reach your dream goals. Want to know more? Sign up to my email list here through my website. Also, you can click the link below for an amazing free ebook. Thank you. Bye for now.